moisture or saturation is 0.25, and the total saturation is 0.50, and the metric pressure is 22.4 centimeters. So what's the infiltration rate at the end of the story? So first, let's write the given. So the duration of rainfall is 2 hours, so that's RT final. Is 2 hours. And then with the 0.5 centimeter per hour intensity. So this one will be our G. When does runoff begin? So this question is asking for TP. Percolation. So percolation is the movement of water through soil, layers by gravity and capillary forces. So if infiltration is when the water coming from the surface infiltrates or the movement of water, let's say this is the surface of the soil, infiltration is dito na part, when the percolation is yung movement of water sa underneath the soil. So, ang driving force is gravity. Then, so what are the different water zones? So, we have Bartol's water, which is the water zone in aeration where air is present, or some surface water. So, that's here. So, that's the first zone. Then the second zone is groundwater. Water is zone of saturation.
This one is tends to move slowly and nani siya ay example niya kay kanang clay nga interbedded sa sand. Then ang first formula nato kay porosity, which is porosity is equal to specific yield plus x. R dapat siya guys sa malita siya. Specific retention. Then porosity is a measure of water-bearing capacity of the formation. All this water cannot be drained by gravity or by pumping from wells, as a portion of water is held in the void spaces by molecular and surface tension. Then the next one is the specific yield is the volume of water that is expressed as a percentage of total volume of the saturated aquifer that will drain by gravity when the water table drops due to pumping or drainage.